In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on notifications on Remitly. If you want to stay updated on your transfers, account activity, and important alerts from the app. Turning on notifications is a simple but very useful setting to enable. This can help you keep track of payment progress and receive timely updates without needing to open the app every time and check manually. To get started, open the Remitly app on your device and go to the Settings area. This is where Remitly keeps the main controls for your account preferences, including communication and app alert options. If you are already signed in, you should be able to access settings directly from your account or profile section. Once you are in the Settings menu, look for the Notifications option and tap on it. This section is where you can manage whether the app is allowed to send you alerts. Depending on your device, the layout may look slightly different, but the notifications area should still be clearly labeled and easy to find. After opening notifications, you will need to click on the notification setting and turn on the toggle for allowing notifications. Make sure the switch is enabled so that Remitly can send alerts to your phone. If the toggle is off, you may not receive updates about transfers or account-related activity, so it is important to confirm that it is turned on properly. If your phone also shows a system permission prompt, allow notifications there as well. In some cases, the app setting and the phone setting both need to be enabled for everything to work correctly. If notifications still do not come through later, a good tip is to check your device settings to make sure Remitly is permitted to send alerts and that silent mode or focus settings are not blocking them. Once notifications are turned on, you are all set. From now on, Remitly should be able to keep you informed with helpful updates as they happen. This is especially useful if you regularly send money and want quick confirmation without repeatedly checking the app. And that's it. That is how to turn on notifications on Remitly. If you follow these steps carefully, the process should only take a moment and will make it easier to stay informed every time you use the app.